Hello YouTube, this is John. In this video I'm going to quickly show you how to update your drivers in case you want to install updates and other drivers to your PC. In case you want to install graphics drivers, as I'm doing right now, I don't have any graphics drivers installed. So first of all, what you do, you go to this PC and click manage. So when you click manage, it will take you to this point where you see device manager. And device manager, we shall click our graphics drivers we want to update or any other drivers you want to update, case of Bluetooth and other drivers like sound. So you click update, and then this will go ahead and check drivers. When you click check automatically for drivers, then you click search for update drivers. So when you reach here, this is going to give you the Windows updates, and then the drivers will come from this side. In my case here, I've been updating my PC and I happen to have my graphics drivers on 90%. I'm going to show you when the drivers are done. I'm going to pause the video.